Hi Ishika.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
So I'm good, thank you, dear. So when did you join JKL University?
I joined it in 2023.
2023, and with the semester exchange program with IITs, which IIT did you choose?
I have chosen IIT Gandhinagar.
IIT Gandhinagar. How was the experience over there?
The experience was quite fantastic because we have a dream to go to the IIT and experience all the things they study and all. So I got an opportunity from JK Lakshmipati University as well, and I also met IIT professors and their PG students and all. The whole environment is quite fantastic and it's quite joyful, and you can learn more and more all the day, or you can say if you try something new, you have so many things to do there. And the campus was quite nice.
Nice,
It was
okay.
very huge as
So,
well.
what's the change have you observed in you after coming from IIT Gandhinagar?
The change, like in my perspective, we learn from practical knowledge,
Okay.
and we more focused on practical knowledge because when we go for our job or for our internship, the practical knowledge is more important.
Okay.
There I have lots of projects, and that project also helped me to understand more logics and other things. And the environment was completely different. The teaching techniques and the teachers, the faculties, their thinking process, it's all completely
So
different.
is it difficult for you to adjust there from here to there, or it just been very easy?
Not so much difficult, but yeah, it's quite difficult because you have to understand how the teachers are thinking, what the thinking
Process,
process,
thought process, and
and
all those things.
yeah, the
Okay.
thought processes and how to cope up with all those things. Because the teaching pattern in JK Lakshpat University, it's different from them, because
Okay.
it's obvious,
Obviously,
all
yes.
have their
All the
own,
IITians and all
yeah,
those.
all have their
So did
own
you get your
process.
semester transcript and semester memo?
Yeah,
Oh, so how
I
was the feeling of getting IIT's
like
memo?
it's a tag of IIT, and that's a huge thing.
Definitely. So do you think it matters for you in the resume of yours in the future?
Yeah, it's completely matters a lot because in your resume you have a tag of IIT. In today's the AI is used to shortlist the resume first, so that IIT Gandhinagar will help me to shortlist in my resume.
Wow, so that one word, IIT Gandhinagar, that one word in
Yeah,
your
that
resume, AI will definitely pick that
pick
and
that,
forward
and
that to the
yeah,
other
so it
this
to
things.
increase the opportunity to select or shortlist in other
Wow,
companies.
totally, you have got an amazing experience, and is this all because of JKL University?
Yeah, it's because of JK Lakshmit University, because this is the college which gave us the opportunity to go to IITs for 4 semesters